Hello and welcome to this short video in which we're going to be talking about how to edit and create movies using the GreenScreen app. Now the GreenScreen app is obviously great for creating green screen videos, and I have another tutorial about that, but this tutorial will look at how to use the GreenScreen for editing videos together. So let's get started. Well, first of all you install the GreenScreen app and then you open up the app, and after you opened it you'll click on the plus button to create a new project. Okay. And then in the new project here you can see there are three different input areas. So I'm going to start with the middle area, and I'm going to start my video with like an opening image. Okay. So maybe that'll be welcome. Okay, great. And I want my opening image to be about 3 seconds long. So I go to 3 seconds and then I click on trim, and that will trim it to 3 seconds. Okay, after that I want a video, one of the videos I did. So I'm going to go and look at my recent videos. Let's have a look. And it is the video of me arriving at the school. So here we are. Okay, and I see the video there. I want that, I want that. Okay, but I want to trim it a little bit, so actually I want to trim it when it gets to about here. So again, I just go to the part I want and then click trim. Okay, after that I want another video, and this video is me coming in through the lobby area of the school. Okay, so I want that area coming through here and heading out towards the grass area. Again, you keep it running until you get to where you want. Yeah, I think I want to trim it there. 32 seconds, click trim. Great. Now I'm going to add my next section of video. And the next section of video is me outside in the garden area. So here that is. Okay. Again, I can run through that. So maybe I don't want to trim that when I get back. Okay, I'm going to trim that when I get back here. Trim. Okay, now I want to add another image before I go to my next scene. So I click on photos and I find the image that I want. So this is now going to be like scene 2. And I want that image to run for about 2 seconds. And then I hit trim. And now I want my next bit of video footage. So I click back, click video, recent. And the next video is where I walk through into the kindergarten play area. Okay. And I have that running there. It runs through and it runs through. Okay. And yeah. And then I'm ready to stop it there. Okay, and then I'm going to go straight to my end photo. Again, I click on image, the end, and I'll let that run for about 7 seconds. Okay, trim. Right, and once that's all done, okay, you can just flick back there, make sure it's all okay. Yeah, I'm happy with all of that. And then you click on the export video, okay? Obviously, if you export it as an image, that will not work, okay? So you need to click export video. Click on that and it runs through my little introduction and welcome to the school. Yeah, it goes through to scene 2 then. Boop. That's the inside area. And then the end. Alright, and when you're finished you click on the save button and it will save it to your photos on your iPad. So I hope that's helped. Like I said, it's a great app. It's kind of perfect for creating green screen videos, and you can have a lot of fun with that, and also for doing animations as well. And in my other tutorial I focus on that. But it's also great just for editing videos together. It's so easy to use. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please click like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.